J30. Okay.
Facebook Live, no? Kalimot ko na.
Good luck to both teams. Stay safe, guys. Stay safe. You have work tomorrow, remember. And thank you to our sponsors as well. And to all that coming in tonight to watch the game, go sit down, go sit down. You got something to you, I want you to be, go sit down. Go sit down, man. Shout out to William and JC from Point 5 for gracing us with your presence. On set, let's go! Let's go! And triple! Okay, Julian! Oh, nice steal! Number 12, and back to Peter. Peter, kick out for Adrian! Let's see the ball. Adrian. Oh, Patulet, no good. Okay. Kick out. Kick out.
Walang ano sa uniform, basta...
Ben, lost it. Ben, almost lost it. Ben got it. No good. Tapos ang tira ni Marquez. Peter controlling the ball. Peter to Mark. Kick out to Alex. Alex attacking the basket. To Peter. Peter with a small pass. No good. Oh, Bernard. No good. And the ball will go to Leslie Tugai. 8 minutes, 38 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Wala pang guna sa Centurion. Centurion says we have a point yet. Kick out to Alice. Alice with an open look. Alice, no good. Rebound by Mark. Nice defense. Oh, Peter! First point of the ball game. 5-0. Wala pang guna sa Centurion. Kuya Nato, guarded by Peter. Kick out, Abulet, kick out to Bernard. Bernard, no good, rebound in Alice. Alice controlling, Alice attacking. Oh, nice steal by Bernard. Defense, nice defense there by Bernard. Tumira, Abulet, wala. Rebounded, Adrian. Adrian kick out to Peter. Peter is the one controlling the game. Peter, kick out to. Oh, nice kick from inside! And a foul! Taas kamay ng foul. 2-3. Taas kamay ng foul. Kuya Nato, first personal. First team foul. Centurion. Whoa, Mark, first free throw shot. Miss. Guys, kids, careful lang kids, mga kids natin sa sideline. Ingat lang po tayo, malayo po ang hospital. Oh, supply! Uy, pumasok! Sorry na pala. 1 of 2 from the free throw line, Mark. Oh, yeah, no good! Oh, nice rebound again! Ben again! And a foul! And 1! Possible 3-point play by Ben Campbell. Foul number 24, last time again. I see Adrian, first personal Adrian, first team foul. Oh, nice shot by James! First basket of the ball game. goes the goal. Adrian with the spin. Adrian with the dish. Alice with the finish. Alice with the finish. Oh, tapos. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys. Well, Richard. Kick out to Mark. Mark attacking. Mark with a shot. Mark. Hello, good. Rebounded by King. King. Kick out to Kuya Nato. Kuya Nato naghahanap. Binigay kay Dabulet. Dabulet kay Yan. Binigay kay Ben sa loob. Ben. Ben, nakahanap. Nakawala. Nakawala. Adrian with the rebound. 5 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the first quarter.
Layo.
Lamang ng apat. Anin pala, sorry. Lamang ng anin ng simple guys. And a foul!
12 red. Legal.
Offensive foul. Ball to, I think it's just a little bit ball to the simple guys. First personal, oh, get the head! For the basket! First personal, Alice. 2 of 2 for Kane. Wow! A three by Adrian!
Ano lang? Upo lang. Upo lang.
Mark. Junior na Ken. Uy! Ang ganda naman doon! Uy, sayang! Huwag natin! Mark, and a foul! Substitution, Joey. Kane going in for 16. Foul 23. Hindi na to?
Stop, number 24. Stop.
Ito ka lang, pre. Ito ka lang. Nasaan ka? Ito ka lang. Ito kayo.
Upo lang, bro. Mayo. Upo
Substitution,
lang.
go.
Okay lang. Para makita ka na dito.
Substitution. Go in. Kuya Dato, second personal, second team foul. Centurion. Uy, ang ganda ng defense! Alice on the basket. Alice na foul!
Kane.
Kane, Kuya Sam going in for Kane, the first personal, Bernard. 13 foul, Centurion. Alice again! Oy, kapos! The ball will remain with the simple guy. Oh, nice pass! Alice to Mark in the 2-point conversion.
Mas ng... Tambak ka.
JR setting up. Behind the back. Traveling violation. Boom! To the Centurion. Another turnover. 11-point lead. Simple guy is controlling the ball game. First quarter. Oh, nice! Oh, sayang. Oh, the ball will remain with simple guy. 14 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 14 seconds, shot clock. Oh, nice steal by Bernard. That's the foul. Who's the foul? Number 12. Oh, Alicia. Second personal, second team foul. People guys. Ali, second personal. Oh, no good. Nice rebound, Jerry.
Ano ba naka-live?
Substitution.
Gay kayo.
Ito si Allen. Allen, first personal. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Ang Centurion. And a foul again.
Sorry?
Are we stopping the clock on whistle?
No. Continue. Plus. Running.
There's a foul, right? There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 20. There's a foul, number 20.
20?
There's a foul.
Yes.
There's a penalty already.
That's 5?
Yeah.
Two shots.
Two shots. Centurions already a penalty. Centurions a penalty already. Two shots. Ganun talaga, pre. Pato na tayo dyan. Penalty na, Centurions. Penalty. Jet, first personal ka, Jet, ha? First personal foul. Oh, sabay ang pareho niya. Jet, nawala. Nabuhay. Number 6. Oh, sabi ng violation. Para naglakas sa kayo si pare. Number 6. Bernard attacking. Bernard nakalusot. Sayang, wala naman. Mark with the rebound. King of the board, King of the board. Oh! Backward violation.
King of the board.
Substitution. Eleven point lead. Bernard. Boy, clean block. King of the board talaga si Mark. Grabe. May bayana rin created. Where bayana is violated. 21. Wala. And the ball will go back to Centurion. Ayaw ba yan?
First quarter pala.
Bernard, naman sa talaman! Bernard, hesitate! Bernard! Bounce pass to Jet! Jet, tira! Jet! Nawala! Kuya Sam, itira nyo na please! Wala pa rin! Peter! Uy! Nice defense by Jet! Bernard! Nice shot by Bernard! First basket of the ball game by Bernard. Nice shot by Uy! Nice handles by Peter! Simple guys dominating the first quarter, 17-8. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys. And Miss Clyde Lobby from EXP Realty, White House Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax by Mr. Ken and Lizelle. And Accidental Property Equipment Rental Safety Awards awarding the 2026 FPL League.
May live na?
And again, just a reminder guys, mga kids natin, keep careful, keep okay.
Facebook. Nana.
Yes,
Hinay kayo,
Let's go!
Ma-share ang live.
Oh, ma-share na. Ma-share ba? Bin?
Dapat si Mokto.
Kaya pa yan, Centurion, si Cynthia.
Ha?
Only 9 points, 9.3. You can do it, Centurion.
Pero kung ipin ko na to.
Niya private pa yun to.
Pero mukhang mabalati kang simple guys. Nothing simple, with a simple guys.
Ayun na lang eh.
Simple, but terrible.
Grabe! First quarter, 5 rebounds, 1 block. Ilan akong highlight. Ni Mel!
Vincent going to
back out na.
Back to Vincent.
Yes.
Vincent
Na.
going. Oh, nice! Nice, number 21. Ali from downtown, no good. Jason Johnson.
What's for three?
Jonel, set it up. Ali, you're nothing. Ali, wide shot by Ali. King with the rebound. Trevor setting up. Almost lost it. Double dribble. Another turnover by the Victorian.
Yung tres. May tumitira ng tres. Tumitira ng tres.
Adrian, nakawala! Adrian! What a shot by Adrian! First basket of the ball game, first basket of the second quarter by Adrian. So, Eric, nakawala, pinasa. Back to Eric. Kick out to Vincent. Oh! Nice defense by Simple guys. Almost lost it. Three-point shot by Kenny. Kane keeping the ball game alive for the Centurion. Kane again with the rebound.
Okay.
8.3. Simple guys. Nakawala si Vincent. Wala. Sayang. Everything in the hassle. Eric. Trevor. Wala. Rebounded. Jonel! Pasok ba? Nakakalito Kick out kay Adrian, kick out to Jonel again. Jonel, tinira, wala. Jonel naman! Jonel pa rin! Ang lakas ng detention ni Jonel. Adrian, Jonel na naman! Para mo na bumabantay kay Jonel 2, 1! Oy, sayang din na! O yan yung hassle, Jonel. O yan yung trade. Defense is the key. Sabi ko dyan, here.
21.
Look at the referee.
Isa pa.
Substitution, look at the referee, guys. The referee will let you know if you're going in. Trevor
Pao pa rin!
Backward violation. Substitution. Mark going in for Richard. Richard, pre, parang ano, tubig. Hinga muna tayo, konti. Centurion! 6-point lead! Simple guys! And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys, Madam Graisa Norway from the exterior team, Vice Kitchen, by both Archie and Madam Jane, 8 birthday Halifax, as a bit of property that you can rental. Thank you for supporting the league, guys. And shout out to Melvin, back from the Philippines. Wala ba tayo dyan? Wala ba tayong dying dyan, friend? Welcome back to the home.
Sino yun?
Melvin. Ay, Melvin, Odoles. Let's go! 5 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 6-point lead in favor of the Triple Nine. Let's go! Allen. Kick out to Jet. Back to wala. Nice try, Nat. Alice guarded by Nat. Alice here to Santi. Peter almost.
5 seconds straight.
Oh, nice assist. Santi. So good. Allen in the rebound. Allen on the way. Allen. Oh no. Number 5. Last try, number 5. Peter. First personal, Peter. First team foul. Triple guys. Nice shot by Allen. Allen again! 2-2 from the free throw line, Allen.
Tao! Get him in!
Oh, what happened to the lead of Triple guys? 4.6 na lang. Peter again! Peter, no good! Allen again!
Man!
Adrian with the speed. Adrian almost lost it. Adrian, from the team to Peter. Peter guarded by Allen.
5 seconds up clock.
Good D,
4.
3, 2, 1. No good. Substitution.
You guys doing a shot clock over here?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't know. We didn't know that. So,
Yeah.
Allen with the face. Allen attacking. No! Wala! Oh my God!
Referee.
We have a tie for game all of a sudden.
Referee.
We have a tie for game.
Oh.
Not first basketball game by Nation.
Ikuan lang.
Biglang nawala. What a run by the Centurion.
5 seconds straight. 3, 2, 1. diretso na lang. Diretso. Kay big record ko.
Time out.
Time out.
Time out. Simple guys! Time out! Simple guys! Biglang naglaho ang labang ng Simple guys! Ganun na nila. What a run by the Centurion! And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys. Thank you, Mr. Rohan, and happy birthday. Blaze Alori from EXP Realty, Mike Kitchen, 812 Forgate Halifax, way down from Halifax. Thank you, guys. As a the property and equipment rental for your residential housing solution. Ay, pre, paramdaman yung sarili nyo, nakakahiya na kayo sa puso dyan. Just be reminded guys, wala tayong stretcher.
Puro taga-hospital yung mga yan. Alam nila.
Just be reminded, we don't have a stretcher in the house. Okay? Careful. Less than 2 minutes remaining.
Half time, 5
in
minutes.
the second quarter, Allen controlling the ball. Allen, take out to Bernard. Okay, take with an open look. And take a shot. What a team from Kane. No shot. Peter. Kumar. No! What a shot. Not in my house.
Nice D.
15 second shot block. Simple guys. Nice defense by the Centurion. Mark, nakulong. Uy, nice defense by Allen. Allen to Bernard.
Ayan.
Bernard there, Eric. No good. That's the right foul, number 6. First personal, number 6. Second team foul. Simple guys. Allen attacking. With the face, no good. Oh, Mark. Oh, sayang, Mark. Peter with a save. Nice save by Peter. And that is the end of the second quarter, the first half. What a run by the Centurions. However, Simple guys is still leading the ball game by 2 points.
You probably shouldn't have them.
Nice game, guys.
But we do a count later to
And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys.
And we're here in Horn.
Big shout out to Taco Boys for the sponsor of our good conversation.
What do you recommend? Like,
Rich guys from Norway from EXP Realty, Mike Kitchen, 812 Forgate Halifax by Mr. Martinez and Mr. Michelle Packer.
During the game.
As a matter of fact,
If the team that's doing a stall, then we'll say.
what if it's crucial, like fourth quarter?
Well, that's what I'm saying. If it's late, last 5 minutes of the game,
Yeah.
of course, then we'll give them a 10-second warning when they need to get the shot.
Okay,
off on the 30
okay.
seconds.
Yeah.
The rest of the game, there's no shot clock.
Yeah.
But if the team is doing an obvious stall, we will say, you better get a shot because
Okay.
you can't go a minute and a half.
Yeah.
But it's
Okay.
up to-
That will go that
we
way.
control that. We know what's going on.
Yeah.
Sitting here in Horn of the Blue, and the players not knowing, they're not knowing until they've got 4 seconds left or
Yeah.
something. And if they're not listening to the mic, they've got no idea, which they're probably not listening to.
Agree. Yeah. So, are you going to do that?
So yeah, we'll
Yeah.
go handle it out here.
Okay.
Are you going 10 minutes for halftime?
5 only.
Okay, that's right. It's going to be,
Yeah. Yeah, maybe at 5, then we'll just start. Nahirapan ako rin ito.
all for the he's got 40 right now. So we should play 18 for the
Sino nagpapayak sa bata? Nagpapayak ko yung bata. Guys, reminder lang guys, yung mga kids natin ha. Reminder lang po yung mga kids natin. Baka bigla kong lumabas yung mga kids natin. Malaking pa naman ba? Sino nagpapayak? Sino nagpapayak? Sino nagpapayak?
What they've done this year is the 4 teams stay here, 3 teams win and go to the outside. Yeah, and it's just we don't want to see it. We barely got top. Next 3 as well. Right. No worries. My bad. You won't see it. Yep. Perfect. So the 4 teams stay.
Ayun pala. Kuha ng score.
Ano score?
Ayun, nandun na. Score niya.
19.
Sino ang 19? 19, Centurion. 19, no?
19.
Tapos ito.
Ito guys, 21.
Yun.
19.
Ba't 10 lang?
2-3 teams coming over here, which will be
Yun. Ano, makita ba? Mag-add-add ka. Naon ta siya
Running
time. Pwede nimo pero dili man ma-synchronize.
Urang lahi ang Palestino. Panawa ang Palestino.
Lagi lahi. Ulahi kayo. Okay, let's go. Pala, in half time, wala ba magawa? Oh. Para kang break ba? Ya, voice over ba? Ready lang po na ako magawa. Wala yung ginagamit.
Let's go back to the ball game! Start of the second half.
Ben.
Tara.
Change court na, diba? Change court? Change court, is it?
Same court. We can't go outside. We're in the same court.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I got change time. My bad. My bad. Let's go!
Time. Yeah.
Silver guys leading by 2 points. Centurion trailing closely behind. Let's go! JR Bernard counting. King lost it. Santi to Alice. Kick out to Adrian. Adrian from way downtown. No good. No good. And a foul. Foul. Who's foul? Si Ben. First personal up. Ben, first personal. First team foul. Centurion. Sati. Oh, Satlay! Pareho! Ayan na si Ben! Oh, nice! Nice! What an assist! By Ben to KR! KR, 2-point conversion. We have a low-scoring ball game tonight. Both teams are doing really good defense. Cuianato almost lost it. Cuianato guarded by Champi. Back to Bernard. Bernard. Pick out Cuianato. Cuianato! Oh! Guys, careful, guys. Careful. Remember, we don't have a stretcher in the house. And ambulance is $600 per travel. Remember. Per trip. Adrian lost it. That's the remaining simple guy. Mark, are you up, Chris? Substitution. Jonel, coming in for Mark. Pahinga muna tayo dyan, sir. Alice, Alice! Tama na! Oh, nice! Oh, Santi! Ay, may fan base! May fan base! Santi, ay, Sherwin ka muna dati. Sherwin ka na dati. Bernard, nakaikot! Bernard, nakapaya! Bernard! Oh, there's a foul on the floor.
Sino 23?
Simple guys.
2-7. Jonel, first personal.
Pwede naman connected eh.
First team foul. Simple guys. Si Santi, may advantage si Santi.
21?
21-23.
Jonel, nice defense. Sherwin, itira pa na press. Sherwin lost it. Another turnover by the simple guys.
Simple guy.
Simple guys. Ang colorful.
All alone, man, no good. Just a 2-point lead, simple guys. Anish. 6 minutes, 4 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Anish guarded by Bernard. Bernard, oh, what? Santi, pare. Sherwin! What a shot by Sherwin! First touch in the ball game by Sherwin. Hindi na tira? Rebound! Nice defense! Nice hustle! Oh, Adrian! Got it. Adrian guarded. Adrian spinning. Lost the ball! Okay, and the ball will remain with the simple guy. 2-point team, simple guy. Sherwin again. Sherwin, sliding. Push 16. There, we have a foul there. Santi with a push. Santi, nanunulak ka eh. Santi, first personal.
Malamang na.
Lamang na.
Santi, no good. First lead of the ball game, Centurion. And a foul.
2-1 move.
Jonel, second personal, second team foul. Simple guy. Ay, third team foul na pala, simple guy. Simple guy. Third team foul, ha? Third. Okay, don't forget. Just wait for the referee. Wait for the referee to see. Okay.
Stop.
Wait for the referee. Referee is back.
And one.
Santi na naman. Santi. Warning for penalty. Second personal, Santi. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, simple guys. I have 6 of you there. 6 of you there. Dito kayo. Dito kayo sa committee para makita kayo ng referee. Oh, what a shot by Bernard! Para makita kayo ng referee. Tingin kayo sa referee para makita kayo. And a foul. Second personal, Ben. Second team foul, Centurion.
Bro. Sabihin mo, huwag pangunahan ang referee, magagalit yan.
What a shot by Simple Guys! 1 point lead! Less than 2 minutes! Less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter! Allen with a fake! Allen, another fake! Allen with a shot! Guys, substitution! Tumingin kayo sa referee! Look at the referee! Guys, look at the referee! Oh my God! Oh my God! Shelby! And a foul! Bernard! Third personal! 13 foul Centurion! 13 foul Centurion! Bernard, third personal!
Shot back natin, pre. Wala na daw. Wala na shot back.
Oh my God! Jonel lost it. It's okay, friend. It's okay. Last shot na kaya ng Centurion. Allen controlling. Allen kick out to Bernard. Bernard, Kuya Sam with a break. And a foul. They're on penalty. 16 on penalty. 16 on penalty. Simple guys penalty. Simple guys penalty. And that is the end of the fourth quarter. What a run by the Centurion.
Remind na, player, huwag pangunahan ng referee, magagalit niya. Pangunahan sa yung mga desisyon, technical yan, yung ganun ba, yung mga side comments.
Guys, just to be reminded, both teams, guys, please respect referee's decision, okay? Wait for the referee's decision, okay?
Yes, sir.
For substitution, Punta kayo rito! Sa harap!
Hindi naman ako pwede tatawid dyan. Dito
Sino
ako.
mo?
Dito.
Yeah.
Dito side namin eh.
Yan na. Tignan!
Hindi.
Hindi ko ilang ulit na ako kami. Foul. Adrian.
Si Alin!
Adrian!
Si Alin! Hey, Alin! Bumol!
For substitution, look at the referee. They will let you know if you're good to go in.
Game.
Let's go!
Tap na tayo.
Tap na niron.
Last quarter! Centurion
Loose ball, saka
took
time out.
the lead.
Free throw.
5-point
Free
lead,
throw.
Centurion. Simple guys.
Tap yat.
Tap ra gyapon.
5-point lead lang yan. Simple guys. Kaya yan. Mark. Sherwin with the face. Sherwin. Nakawala. Oh, the ball will remain with the simple guys. Sherwin. Binigay kay Adrian. Open look. Ow! Tapos. Vincent, nakawala! Vincent! Oh, the ball will remain with the simple guy. Nice hustle by number 6. Sherwin, kick out to Peter, with a base, Peter! Jump ball! 16 black. Oh, foul? Is there a foul? 16 black. Oh, foul, 16 black foul. Not first personal, not warning for first team foul. First team foul, Centurion, first personal, not. Nakita si Vincent. Oh, yes, almost lost it. Kick out Trevor with a shot. Trevor! Yes! First basket of the ball for the fourth quarter, Trevor. 7-point lead. Centurion, Peter with the cross. Kick out to Mark. Pass for Mark, kick out to number 6, now Wilfred. And a foul! Nice hustle, Wilfred. 16. Nathan, second personal, second team foul. Centurion. And again, a shout out to our sponsors. Taco Boys! And Miss Liza Lori from EXP Realty. Oh, sa
Walang
kaya
pasok, no?
ni Wilfred Pareho. Sayang. Taking the rebound. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Viscount Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Vincent, nakakakulong. Vincent, the normal team. And a foul.
Fouls on 5. 5 to me.
Peter, second personal, first team foul. Simple guys. Trevor inbound. Trevor naghahanap. Nakita si Vincent. Pero nakita rin ni Peter. But the ball will remain with the Centurion. May shot clock na yan. Shot clock nila, pre. 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes. 5 minutes na shot clock natin. 5 minutes. Peter. Peter to Adrian. Adrian, ako pala. Adrian, get grab. Sayang. Vincent. For the shot.
Tambak ka nga.
9-point lead! Centurion! Mark, Camilo! Mark, naghahanap ang masahan! Peter! Peter, nakawala na naman! Peter! Yes! Now, what a shot by Peter! First basket of the fourth quarter by Peter. Nakabutas din ang Nathan. Vincent got it from Wilfred and a foul!
Let's move. Block. Sideline. Stop.
Wilfred, second personal, second team foul. Simple guys. Both teams have 2 timeouts. Reminder, both teams have 2 timeouts. Pwede magpahinga. Kane, double team. Back to Vincent. Vincent, guarded by Peter. Vincent looking for someone to pass. Found Nathan. Nathan, nakawala. Nathan, attacking in a foul.
27 blue. 2-7. The hit. 2 shots. Stop.
Substitution, pasok.
Not.
Sherwin, first personal, third team foul lang. Simple guys. Sayang.
Itom.
7-point lead. Centurion. Oh, what a few from the free throw line, Nathan. Ali! Bernardo, good. Rebounded by Mark. King of the boards talaga si Mark. Jonel, no good. Substitution. Allen going in for Vincent. Kane. Eric. Eight-point lead, Centurion. Eric. Kick out to Bernard. Bernard. Back to Eric. Eric, nakawala. Nagulat. Parang may langis ang bola. Parang may efficacy oil. Ali! Oh, nice defense! Oh, it's foul.
Hold on. 0-1.
Warning for penalty, simple guys. Warning for penalty. Richard, first personal. Richard. Warning for penalty, simple guys. Warning for penalty. Ayaw nyo makinig, bahala kayo dyan. Ulit nyo eh. Kayo nga, dyan. Ali! All the way! And a foul! Bernard, warning ka na, Bernard. Wala! Peter! Mark! Oh! The defense is very MMA. The defense is very MMA by the simple guy. Whose ball? Not me. Guys, where are you going, guys? Simple guys. Oh, Ali! Bernard! All the way! From east to west, Bernard!
Kaya ang nasa unsing labaw eh.
Richard! malinaw yung sinabi ko eh. Running ball then? Running ball.
One more. Push. Stop, go,
Ano? Time out! Bernard! Thank you for your participation for tonight. Go ref!
Sino nag-graduate? Bro, mga bata bro, baka masita na naman tayo. Din pub, mga bata, baka masita na naman tayo.
Guys, reminder lang natin kids, yung mga kiddos natin, guys. Reminder kids, careful, don't run around the place. Don't run around the place, please. Be careful, the mga kids natin. Careful lang mga kids.
Eh, Alin! Nawag ka?
And again, a shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boys, Fredericton, Miss Liza, Laurie, EXP Realty, Viscount Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, Acevedo Property and Equipment, Rental. They're warning for penalty for the third year. Reminder, people guys, warning for penalty na kayo ha. Centurion, 13 fouls, Centurion. Wala na naman si Miguel, wala. Rebound. Allen. Allen, no pass to Jet. Pag-triple team, si Jet, apat yung bantay. Bernard. Foul. Wait for the call.
Just out of bounds.
Oh, just out of bounds. Shot clock na. 40 seconds, shot clock. 8 seconds, shot clock. 8 seconds. Allen took the shot. No good. Oh! Jack got a rebound. JR, quick release. No good pa rin. Oh, Ben! What a hustle by the Centurions. Allen again. Allen, no good. Jet again. Parang walang rebound ng Simple Guys. Oh, yun. Nakuha na ni Peter.
Balls on 3-1. Wow.
Allen, second personal. Warning for penalty, Centurions. Warning for penalty, Centurions. 41-29 in favor of the Centurions. 11-20. 12-point lead, rather. Travel violation code.
Brother, stop niya, brother. Stop.
Dito tayo, brother. Stop. Tingin kayo sa referee, brother. Mukha ko lang, papasukin ko kayo lahat dyan. Papasukin ko kayo lahat dyan. Sampu kayo dyan. Pagpeste kayo dyan. Allen. Foul pass to JR. JR na wala! JR na bullet! No good! Serving to the rebound! And jump ball! The ball will remain with the black team, Centurions. Kane inbounding. Kane to Allen. Allen attacking. Oh, Allen! Traveling violation. Triple first before you
May
go.
isa pa silang insect na ano eh.
And a shout out to Mbappe and to Benham. Shout out to JC and William and to the president of the foundation, Melvin. No good rebounded by Peter. Pass Labas-pasok na kayo! Vincent! Kuya Nato! Uy! Almost lost!
Hold on, stop, blue. Stop.
Alice, third personal penalty. Simple guys, already penalty. Simple guys on penalty. Simple guys on penalty. Centurions calling for penalty. Alice, third personal foul. 2 shots for Vincent. 2 shots for Vincent. 41-29. Last 2 minutes.
Isa lang!
North sa baba. Tama yan? Makapik pa tayo.
Pwede pa. Hanggang 9 eh.
Sherwin with the rebound. Sherwin. Uy, oras. Oh, family violation by Peter. Sayang. And again, this whole game is brought to you by Taco Boys. This drives a long way from ESG Realty, Viscount Kitchen, 812 Morgan, Canada, and Antiveto Property and Equipment Rental. Ben! Grabe lumipad ka ron, Ben, ah. Nakalimutan mo na bitawan ng bola, Ben. Ganda na lipad mo, Ben. Adrian guarded by Vincent. Nice pass to Sandy! Sandy! Sandy, di na ka ba isa? May bad base ka pre! Sandy! Let's go! What a shot by Sandy! Sampu na lang ang labang! Patirahin si Sandy! Kuya Nato! Oh, sayang! Great from inside Highland. Sherwin with the rebound. Sherwin! Tingnan mo na Sherwin! Sherwin! What a shot by Sherwin! Bigay niyo na kay Santi! Santi sa answer!
Ikot!
10 seconds.
Shot block! Oy! Nakawala! Nakuha mo ni Mark! Peter! To Sherwin! Uy! Penalty! Zero penalty! Penalty na rin si Julian! Third personal Ben. Penalty Centurion. And again, I would like to thank you, thank everyone who came in tonight to support their own team. Thank you. Without you guys, malungkot ang liga natin. Salamat sa pag-support sa mga asawa nyo. Alam nyo na yan. Mark! Uy, ang ganda naman doon! Mark, keep on the board!
Tira mo na!
Alas, nagpati ko!
Labas!
Kuya na to, tira mo na! Vincent! Off the board game! Centurions win the comeback! Centurions taking the
Picture lang.
W for
Send
tonight!
sa group chat natin. Picture lang. Thank you.
Nice
Good job.
Nice game as well!
Ayan na.
Simple guys!
Next week.
No, huwag yung nilapik.
Okay.
Table natin.
Live pa to, pre!
Nakalive si Kahayop.
Shout out! Thank you, Viva Max! Thank you!
Oh no, if the give you what you can stop my game. I'm unless
Yung papers.
you had 160 a week, and then Holloway had one.
Why did they get music? 3 hard games.
Sit up.
See ya.
And our player of the ball game for tonight is King. 7.6 rebounds.
Interviewin mo bro doon sa ano para makita ng camera yung best player.
Wala tayo no certificate.
Wala pa ka. Busy kayo. Taco Boys niya kuan, isend lang na to. Sinong ano? Kane? Interview mo English yun bro. Dito.
Ako.
Ikaw dyan dito ha, camera. Tawagin mo.
I don't know what's the preparation.
What's your preparation? What's your preparation?
Again, thank you, simple guys. Nice game from both teams. Centurions, it's their night tonight. So, nice game.
Tawagin mo, Kane.
Kane, you're the player of the night. Kane, go.
Dahil kita.
Kane, so you're the player for tonight between the Centurions and the Simple Guys. You got 7 points and 6 rebounds, keep on the board. And what did you do to prepare for the game tonight?
Been playing a lot of pickup basketball with everybody, making sure I'm in sync for the game. Gotta play lots of hard defense, so you get those rebounds. That statistic really matters.
Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to your next game. Thank you. Congratulations, Centurions.
Thank you.
And again, a shout out to them sa mga sponsors, Taco Boys, 2026 na FPL, official sponsor of 2026 na FPL event. Price and Coffee, with the Xperia team, Michael Kitchen, 812 for the Halifax, and the Red Company, and the Special Six.
May papawis pa.
Oh, yung gusto ba maglaro? Pwede ba? Yung gusto ba maglaro? Hanggang tayo.